Line from Full Metal Jacket about my weapon. Dave Weinstein actually texted it to me.
I don't know.
Hold on, I'm gonna get my binoculars. Go ahead whenever you're. Let us know when you're ready.
Ready?
Oh, it's good height, just to the right.
To the right of what?
The can you're shooting for.
To the right.
What's going on? That's it, you got it!
Yeah.
Mother!
Yay!
To the right, the blue can. The blue tin
Okay.
can.
Alright.
Sitting on top of the right garbage can.
Yay! Bingo!
She got it! Now, Elizabeth,
I'm going up. Yeah.
go for straight up from there is a green tin can sitting on a log.
Yeah.
There are two of them. Hit either one. Up, okay, that was perfect line. Let me just tell you, go up 1 foot. That was on the left can. Go up 1 foot, but perfect in line. It might have been too high. Nice shoot!